Welcome to Biafra Battle Cry TV, where Biafra is not just only our identity, it is our faith. Here, we stand firm in our devotion to the cause and to our leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, champion leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB. We bring you bold, fulfilling prophecy by Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, the warning Jing to Igbo traders in Lagos, that very soon the markets and properties will be destroyed. Sit back and watch. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay connected to the heartbeat of the resistance. Thanks for watching, and may Biafra rise.
Even the dry bones in the graves that are beginning to shake, they know the time has come. It's a shame that some people who are still living don't understand that, especially Igbo traders in Lagos. What's that to go? Nadepo is the first phase of this very deadly salvo. They will destroy your businesses. After that, they will take over your houses. When I make work for them, I want you to be writing down what I'm saying. That is why Barrister will say, go and bring your pen and your paper, so that when we are speaking, you'll be seeing it live and direct. What we do here is science. When we tell you that if you mix 2 molecules of hydrogen and 1 of oxygen, you will get H2O, which is water. We mean it. If you try it, you will see it. Yoruba, it is the truth. I tell you the truth. I don't care who you are. I don't care if you're holding my life, you take it. Was Shoyinka not corrupt? Was Tai Solarin not corrupt? Name one Yoruba man that isn't corrupt. Name one. Name one that is good. I said name one. Tell me a Yoruba man that served in a public office and went back with his integrity or her integrity intact. Name one person. You can't. Yoruba should stop supporting evil. Yoruba, stop supporting evil. To be remembered.
You don't see them now. You don't see them now. See people, millions going down. Going down. You know, as they're breaking this thing now, it will look like say they're pushing down sand block house. For this thing now, for many years of suffering, many years of tearing. Both some of them are not even in Nigeria, some of them are abroad. All this house, all here from here, which or express, all of them are going down. Before you buy any property in Lagos, the thing to us, make sure that you do all the documentation. Don't be in a hurry. Rather let that money deal with you. Don't be in a hurry. Nobody hurry you. It's better the money day in the bank wasted, because they say money in the bank is a waste. You better use the money, go and do investment, government investment. Like there are many of them. Mutual fund, the whole of thing. Then millions going down like this. You know how much that's going down here. You don't understand. The pain.
Thanks for watching Biafra Battle Cry TV, where Biafra is not just only our identity, it is our faith. Other prominent Igbo politicians that visited the trade fair market in Lagos where Igbo investors' properties were demolished, you have only one mission and message for our brothers in Lagos: tell them to stop investing in Lagos, clearly urge them to relocate their businesses back to Biafra region. Invest in Biafra region is the only advice and awareness our people living in western and northern part of Nigeria need to hear now. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay connected to the heartbeat of the resistance. Thanks for watching, and may Biafra rise.